Those that buy and sell vinyl fencing products know the benefits that come with investing in this growing industry. High-quality, maintenance-free materials that look great, last a lifetime, and are easy to install. But taking on vinyl fencing products is only the beginning of the road. In this short video, you'll see a new, innovative method for installing vinyl fencing that'll help you put more quality fence in the ground faster, so you and your customers can stay ahead and continue to move forward in the fencing industry. Whether you pound posts or concrete them in, the fact is not every post will go in perfectly straight. It is not an exact science, but the adjustable two-piece mounting system allows it to be. The adjustable collar can be moved in any direction at both the top and bottom of a post to ensure the vinyl that slides over top stands perfectly plumb. Using this precision system with each post along a string of fence results in a stunningly straight and level finished product. Post collars can also be used on deck railing systems as well. Post pounding is a quick and effective way to get more posts set in much less time. And yes, it really is as simple as it looks. The installer simply sets the posts in the proper spots, fires up the post pounder, and checks for plumb the first few strikes. Once the post is partially in the ground, the installer can let it go to work, freeing him up to move on to the next post or other tasks around the job site. The benefits of pounding posts versus concreting are numerous. There's no digging required, no mixing or pouring of cement, and most importantly, far less cleanup when the job is done at the end of the day. A pounded post is far less susceptible to frost heaves over the winter and can be removed or replaced much easier. Here are the dollars and cents of post pounding. A quality post pounder will cost between $700 and $3,000 plus a compressor. The cost of the metal posts is comparable to the cost of the cement needed to fill a pre-dug hole, making the materials cost per hole virtually the same between pounding and cementing. The real savings at the end of the day is in the labor. It's much cleaner. No waste dirt needs to be removed, and no concrete needs to be mixed or poured. Post pounding is also non-invasive to the yard, as no large equipment is needed. You can remove an existing fence and reinstall with minimal disturbance of existing landscaping. In this demonstration, the crew on the left will concrete a steel insert. The installer on the right will pound a post. The difference is plain to see. On the right, gone are the hassles involved with digging holes, mixing, and pouring concrete. This demonstration doesn't even account for the hours it will take for the concrete to dry and the cleanup involved with digging the holes. While every fence installer has his own system of getting posts into the ground, it is undeniable. The post pounding method is fast, clean, and extremely efficient.